Hey guys, welcome back in Coding, and in this video I'll show you that how you can simply use the if and else block in C# by using Visual Studio.NET framework. Okay, so let's start. So here is the button, so let's open this stuff. Okay, so now you need to first learn that how you can use the if and else block. Okay, so let me show you. So for using the if and else block, you need to write that if, then you need to add a first bracket, and at the first bracket you can verify anything. Okay, so one is done, you need to add the second bracket and do like this, so it will be verified the first step. Okay, so after doing this stuff we can verify that else. Okay, the else, then we can again add like this, that else. So what is doing right now, that if we can add any condition, that if it's true, so what it will be do this stuff, if it's false it will be do like this. So this is the if and else. Okay, let's verify it. So how you can do this, just add a, for my case I am adding a boolean data, and at the boolean data I can just give it name to b1 and set it equals to true. Okay, so I'm just setting my boolean data to true. Now at here I'm just verify that v1. Okay, that sorry, the b1, the boolean data, and as you can see, no error message, nothing else. So now you can print the message. Okay, like if you now search that or set that the message box dot show, then first bracket and add a simple message that true, it's because it's true, true true. Okay, then we need to add the clone, and we can now select this stuff and simply we can now select this and just copy and just paste it here. But in case will we add that fa, yes, false. Okay, now here's the true and here's the false. If it's our boolean now true, it will be do this display this message. If it's false, it will be display this message. So let's try that how it's working. So now let's press the button 1, and as you can see it's telling that true. Okay, now let's set it to true to false, fa, false. And now if I hit the start again, and now if I hit the press, and as you can see the false. So that's why you can make your own true and false. I hope you understand the if and else block. For more information you can check my website, the link in the description, link below, so you can check. If you have any question, you can comment us in my comment box. I will must try to give you the reply. Thank you so much for watching guys, love you all, and bye bye.